Hello everyone, welcome back to Elixirs of Rotrack. Today with us we have one of the sweetest team of the council, that is Team Editorial. Hi guys.
Hello.
Can you all please introduce yourselves?
Hi, so I'm Rotractor Himali Gandhi.
Hi, this is Rotractor Ishan Patil.
Hi, so I'm Retractor Mariam.
Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. So my first question is here that what made you all take the step to get into council?
Okay, so I had no plans on applying for council at all. And last year, जब भी rise चल रहा था, I was standing there and Ojas was also standing there. और हम लोग टाइम पास कर रहे थे और ओजस ने मेरे को ऐसे रैंडमली पूछा कि why don't you apply for council or something related to applying for council and I just randomly said कि मुझे अगर तू मुजरा करने देगा तो I will join the council. And
We haven't seen till date.
जाकिर मेरे को साइड में लेके गया नहीं लाइक तू मस्ती क्यों कर रही है ये वो and I genuinely didn't want to apply at all मतलब तभी कोई plans नहीं था ऐसा नहीं है कि I have a problem with anything just plan नहीं था हो गया road track वैसा plan था but then मैंने 2-3 बार ओजस को बोला and ओजस ने तब तो pandemic था भी नहीं so ओजस clearly said that it's okay we'll conduct specific events wherein you can do mujra so that's how I got in that's how just decided I'll apply.
Ishan?
Okay.
Yeah. So like like Himali, there wasn't any ऐसा interesting story about me joining council. It's just that I had been for so long into road track और यही करना एक बचा था and then I thought what to do. तो editorial pass में like felt close to the home, so I applied बस. And हाँ, Red Rise में last year मजा आया था ये सब तो सोचा कि on ground एक बार council experience करने का मौका मिलेगा but we all know how that turned out. So that's
We are the digital council.
digital council, virtual council.
I think
What about
mine
you,
started
Mariam?
with Naved. So Naved
Oh.
came college के बाहर. Naved called me, but he's like college के बाहर. And I was like, listen, मतलब क्यों suddenly? And then he's like, Mariam, I think district join कर ले, मतलब apply कर ले. I like, देख Naved, वो 3 years का thing होता है, right? And then he's like, अरे तू try तो कर. Then I was like, all right. And I think that's when I was like, चलो ठीक है, Naved encourage कर रहा है तो मतलब करना पड़ेगा. This was very sudden. For me, it was, I did not even think about it. I was like, हाँ 3-4 साल देखेंगे सोचेंगे type of thing, but यह तो बहुत sudden था. My interview was also
कोई
very
relationship
funny.
commitment
So
वाला
funny.
बातें क्यों कर रही है 3-4 साल सोचे
अरे because
council है इसमें
जब वो district का निकला था ना, so they had this thing written that you need to have like I think 3 years into Rotrack or something like that. तो उसके ऊपर से हवा वाला जाने दे बाद में देखेंगे. मैं भी ज्यादा सोच ही नहीं देखा 3 साल रहेंगे उसके बाद सोचेंगे. ये तो बहुत ही sudden था.
Interesting stories to hear. So moving on to next question. So as you're in the Team Editorial now, and there are the advantages and the fun part and the sad parts of being in this avenue. So what is the fun part and one of the saddest part of being in the Team Editorial? I'm sure there will be many.
खाली प्लीज
For
सैड
me-
पार्ट में डीलिंग विद ईशान मत बोलना मैं आगे
भाई
कुछ
मैं
बोलने
genuinely बोलने वाली थी ईशान is the sad part. Okay, for me in general this has always been a thing कि whenever it comes to creative writing it is always fun for me but whenever it has to be like very strict technical content writing covering projects I don't enjoy that part as much even when it comes to internships if I have to cover something or write technical content about a product that's not something that I enjoy I'm more towards poetry and creative side and I think online में ये साल बहुत सारा time was just covering up goals and events like that online goals हुआ 7 दिन का ये वो तो cover up करने में इतना होता है and creative events जितना me ईशान and मरियम planned on executing उतना नहीं हुआ so I think that was the sad part and I think happy part is Ishan and Mariam I'm just very nice Ishan just thinks I'm mean but
मुझे
my
100
happy
रुपया
part is
जीपे
Ishan
करना
and Mariam क्या
मुझे 100 रुपया जीपे
That's
करना
sweet. Okay, that's sweet.
Mariam has been very close to me even before like the year started we knew each other pehle se
Yes.
and I think it was fun knowing Ishan, and he's very entertaining. बहुत बोलता है, but he's very entertaining, and
Yep.
both of them are like my happy part about Road Track and Editorial.
I think when me and Himali first met Ishan, when we had that meetup, you know, for the photography and everything, and then like, ये Ishan है, चलो जाके देखते हैं if
Who's
he
this
has the
hot
same
and
vibe or
cool
not.
dude? अच्छा
What?
अच्छा okay I thought क्या
Hot
बोले
and
क्या
cool
बोले
dude? No, not hot and cool dude. Like, let's go and check if our vibes matching. I think
Seems
that
like
was
I
it.
imagined it wrong. But now, अच्छा ठीक है. So the happy part is like I got to conduct projects related to my favorite avenue, editorial. So many good projects like बातें कुछ अंते इसी, where it was a platform for LGBTQI panelists to speak about their stories. Then the debate, first ever online virtual debate of the district and all that. So many good projects we got to conduct. Sad part, yeah, again I will reiterate on that only कि got to do everything virtual. मतलब कोई on ground project नहीं कर पाए. As Mariam said, sorry, why am I confusing Mariam with Himali? Himali said that many projects didn't conceptualize but didn't get executed because of this indecisiveness of lockdown नहीं होगा वो सब. So that is the bittersweet part. But yeah, that's it for me.
And Mariam, what is it for you?
I think offline would be more better than online. The sad part is that कि मतलब हम लोग offline करने नहीं मिला. बहुत plans थे हम लोग
Happy
के.
part?
And the happy part?
Happy
हाथ
part.
दिलाना पड़ता है.
Both are like they want to listen their names. Like happy part,
Yeah.
happy part, yeah.
Yes.
I think happy part was
How Harry?
Ishan and Mariam not screaming at me even when I don't answer calls.
True. Honestly, but I was so blank the whole year. I'm like, जो हो रहा है. I had no idea what's going on. But honestly, they backed me up. एकदम सही लोग हैं यार. बचा लिए.
Okay, so moving on with the next question. What is something which y'all will be missing about being here together as a team?
I think I will miss Ishan's constant messages on about Himali ye hua kya ya ye kiya kya ya ye karna tha reminder, and I will constantly miss Mariam not answering our calls and me and Ishan messaging each other to and fro ki bhai Mariam nahi utha rahi hai phone. That's one thing I will miss about us working as a team.
Ishan, what about you? You're sobbing, I see.
I think Ishan won't miss us. Good riddance.
No, I wasn't. I wasn't going to say that. Ironically, half का 90% of our work calls बोलेंगे like discussing the projects का call are about gossiping. So I get to learn gossips from these two. Got to learn. I mean, so yeah, that will be a part that I will miss because moving on to new teams, तो उधर का gossip अलग रहेगा. But yeah, so work calls not being anything other than work calls is the thing that I miss.
Always. But honestly, the bond. I think our bond was very good. Like, I think कि अगर offline था तो strong, but online it was fun, chill था. But I honestly miss the offline thing. मतलब last year Red was.
Yeah, both obviously that's the bitter part of the
the
whole
gossip.
council.
Huh. So guys, moving towards the last part of the session. So we'll be playing a very fun game with y'all. Who is most likely to? जहाँ पे हम लोग तुम लोग को सिचुएशंस देंगे एंड तुम्हें गेस करना है कि तुम्हारा जो दूसरा पार्टनर है द सेकंड एंड द थर्ड पार्टनर आर दे फिटिंग इनटू दैट सिचुएशन एंड तुम लोग को उनके नाम का कार्ड दिखाना है. सो अनीशा, लेट्स बिगिन विद द सिचुएशन स्टार्ट.
Yeah, so the first situation is who's most likely to give reasons to not edit and document that they are assigned to. उसने अपने आप में मतलब she's laughing so bad. She's like shit मेरे पे ही आने वाला है ये.
I knew it was coming.
Unity.
Okay, second situation से repeat करती हूँ. Who's most likely to go and hit the director looking at his or her demands कि मतलब ये मेरे को edit करके देना, प्लीज मेरे को ये PR मैसेज बना के देना, तो फिर वो सब सुन के कौन जाके उस इंसान को मारने वाला है?
Himali any day.
Himali herself also accepts it कि I can't listen to somebody's tantrums. Okay, so the next one is Okay, this one also I know, I guess. Who's most likely to be the notorious one amongst you all?
I think
मेरा नाम लेना.
I think Ishan. I actually think Ishan.
Ishan will go first.
मैं इतना टशन में ऐसा गया पीछे तुम लोग
हाँ,
मेरा
मैं
ईशान
भी-
करके
मैं भी वही-
और इसने हिमाली का दिखा दिया.
Ishan, everybody accepts this.
Sorry, Ishan.
He's like, मेरा नाम लो.
How
Out of course. He's like मस्त इतने अच्छे से जा रहे अपन सिंक में पहले मरियम फिर हिमालय अभी ईशान मतलब ऐसे चलो सही है सही है.
Next.
ठीक है. Next situation. Who's most likely to argue with their vertical head?
Himali. Guys, not compromising on this. Himali.
I don't
I'm
think I
indecisive.
argue. भाई जाकिर मान जाता है प्यार से मेरे को लड़ने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ती है.
If it
हाँ,
wouldn't be
वही.
Zakir, I think अगर जाकिर नहीं होता कोई दूसरे का इतना अच्छा बॉन्ड नहीं होता तो I think होता वैसा कुछ सीन. मतलब झगड़ा वही करती हम लोग तो शांत लोग हैं.
Especially with regards to veg biryani conversations.
So that I've done with Zakir. वो बहुत किया है.
Let's discuss some.
बिरयानी
not
क्या
discuss
होता
some
है?
etc.
इतने सारे रेस्टोरेंट्स जो वेज बिरयानी बेच रहे हैं वो लोग को कोई अक्ल नहीं है.
तुम लोग जैसे
है ना,
लोगों की
है
नॉस्टैल्जिया पे कैश इन करने के लिए हो कि
हाँ,
हाँ
एक
एक सेकंड
second.
देख है अभी मैं खा के
बस
दिखाऊंगी
कोई
तो उन
रेसिपी
लोग का
एग्जिस्ट
धंधा
नहीं
बढ़ रहा है.
करता. डिफरेंस है नहीं. बस ऐसे ही.
इसका अलग segment बनाते हैं
I
guys.
don't know
अलग.
guys. मतलब हिमाली
Agree to disagree. Let's move on.
Let's move ahead. हाँ. The last question here is who's most likely to send snaps in the middle of a meeting?
I think me.
Middle of meeting.
Maybe me.
मीटिंग हाँ स्नैप्स मैं हुई नहीं स्नैपचैट पे पहली बात तो.
No snaps as in clicking pictures of maybe the meeting only, not necessarily.
Yes, yes,
हाँ.
yes, yes.
तो
ये
होटल
कि
कम
guys
हॉल
भेजे
कम
ना.
बाथरूम वाले सेल्फी तो मरियम लेती है तो मेरे पे एक
हाँ पर नहीं तू मैं वही बोल रही हूँ ना खुद का नहीं भेजता है ऐसा नहीं बोल रही हूँ. बट इफ लाइक इफ देयर सम जूम मीटिंग गोइंग ऑन और कोई एक जन बहुत मस्ती कर रहा है या कोई एक जन में बहुत वियर्ड कुछ कर रहा है तो वो रिकॉर्ड
That's
करके वो
Ishan.
भेजता है.
That's
हाँ
Ishan.
वो मैं करता और मैं कन्वीनियंटली तभी कैमरा ऑफ करना भी भूल जाता हूँ.
हाँ, ये
एक दो बार
भेजता
हुआ
है. I have seen
ये
ऐसा
भेजता है.
meetings वगैरह के बीच में.
Personal experience हो चुका है इस मामले में.
हाँ.
Snaps
Oh
में
yes,
ऐसे
yes.
ऐसा.
So guys, with this we come to an end of the session. Hope you all have enjoyed staying with us over here, and I hope that even the viewers have enjoyed watching this. Thank you so much for being over here and for being a lovely audience. Until next time, bye.
Please
Thank
like,
you.
comment and subscribe.
Bye bye.
Yes.